This Berkshire Hathaway HomeServices Florida Realty property video is presented by Robert Quinlan. Annual rental that is well maintained. 2 bedrooms, 2 baths and an oversized garage with laundry. Pleasant dining room which overlooks the fenced-in yard. Large screened lanai and outdoor patio. Near shopping and medical facilities. Short drive or bike ride to Manasota Beach. Community has a boat ramp and beach ferry available for a reasonable annual fee. Available for November 1, 2021 rental. For more information, review the details below.